So, you're thinking about a new wood kitchen from IKEA for 2026. It seems pretty simple on the surface, but it's really not. You're actually choosing between real wood, super sustainable bamboo, or some pretty advanced foil technology. So, how do you even begin to decide? Well, that's what we're here to figure out. Let's find the perfect one for you.
See, the thing is, the best choice isn't really about the product itself, it's all about what you care about most, right? Are you a total wood purist who just has to have the real thing? Or maybe you're a minimalist and it's all about those clean, seamless, handle-free lines. Or hey, maybe you're a smart saver who just needs something that's going to last forever but won't drain your bank account. Let's break this down based on what really drives your decision.
Okay, first up, the wood purist. You know who you are. If you want that genuine look, that authentic feel, and the unique grain that only real wood can give you, well, IKEA has two fantastic options waiting for you.
Your journey is going to start with SINARP. Honestly, it's pretty much considered the best bang for your buck for authentic wood. It's got a genuine oak veneer and a solid oak edge. But the coolest part? Because it's real wood, every single cabinet front is slightly different. It's unique. No two are going to be exactly alike, which is pretty special.
And for just $94 for a standard door, that's just a masterclass in efficiency. Because the design is a simple, flat front, IKEA gets to put the budget where it matters, into the material, the real oak, instead of into a bunch of complex machine time.
But what if you want to take that authentic wood vibe and just kick it up a notch? Well, then let's talk about FORSBACKA. This front uses a more selective, really high-end oak veneer. It just feels heavier, more substantial. It gives off this really premium vibe.
Of course, that premium feel comes with a premium price. And this chart shows that jump perfectly. You're looking at a 35% price increase over SINARP. And here's the crucial point. You're not paying for a different material. You're paying for a very specific, high-end aesthetic.
This quote from the analysis really just nails it. FORSBACKA is for the person who wants their kitchen to have that undeniable, substantial, this is a serious wood kitchen kind of presence.
All right, let's totally switch gears. What if you're not a purist, you're a minimalist? You love the wood look, but what you really want is a clean, modern, totally handle-free package.
In that case, you need to meet VOXTORP. And this is where things get really interesting. Now, this is not real wood. It's a high-quality foil that's patterned to look like oak. But just look at the price. It's actually more expensive than the real oak SINARP we just looked at. What's going on there?
Which of course leads to the big question, why on earth would you pay more for a foil front than for real wood? Well, the answer has absolutely nothing to do with the material, and everything to do with the technology.
Yeah, we are not talking about a cheap sticker here. This is a durable pattern foil that is engineered to be wrapped perfectly around complex shapes without any seams to create an absolutely flawless finish.
And this is the process you're paying for. First, the core board is milled with incredible precision to create that beautiful, ergonomic, integrated handle. Then, the foil is wrapped seamlessly around every single one of those curves. That is a seriously demanding technical process, and that's where all the value is.
Okay, now for our third kind of person. This is for you if you love a natural look, but your number one priority is making an eco-conscious choice.
Your answer is FRÖJERED. This is the sustainable standout of the entire 2026 lineup. It's made from natural bamboo, which is a rapidly renewable resource, and it brings this amazing, vibrant vertical texture to your kitchen. It's a very cool look.
And the benefits are just crystal clear. Bamboo is incredibly hard-wearing, so it's really built to last. It's designed with modern, drawer-heavy kitchens in mind. And here's a key point. You are getting a beautiful, natural material for less than that high-tech VOXTORP foil. And finally, let's talk to the smart saver. This is for everybody who needs their kitchen to look great and stand up to the chaos of daily life, all without completely breaking the bank. For you, there is one and only one clear winner, ASKERSUND. When it comes to that perfect intersection of price and pure practicality, this front is the undisputed king of the IKEA range.
I mean, the strengths are just undeniable. It's the cheapest, it's technically the most durable front IKEA makes, it's highly resistant to moisture, and it delivers that bright, popular Scandinavian look. It's an absolute workhorse.
And here it is, the knockout number. Just $34 for a standard door. That is almost 1/4 the price of the premium FORSBACKA. The value here is, well, it's simply off the charts.
Okay, so we've looked at the purist, the minimalist, the eco-conscious, and the smart saver. Let's put everything on one screen and help you make that final call.
This right here is your cheat sheet. At the very top end, you've got FORSBACKA at $128, all about that solid wood aesthetic. Right behind it, VOXTORP at $114, where the price is all about that amazing handle-free engineering. Smack in the middle is SINARP, the sweet spot for authentic wood grain at $94. Then you have FRÖJERED, your sustainable bamboo option for drawers. And finally, the unbeatable value champion, ASKERSUND at just $34.
So you see, the choice isn't just about wood or foil, price or features. It's really a reflection of your priorities. Is it about authentic materials, sleek design, sustainability, or just pure practical value? The answer defines your kitchen. So what does your kitchen say about you?